Hello everyone, welcome back to Tom Hacks channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make the Google Spreadsheet editable for multiple users. So sometimes always we add their emails to make them able to edit the documents, but here is the simple things. First thing, just decide which Google Spreadsheet that you want to share and then click the three circles on the right side of the documents. And now we already have a lot of tools that we can use. Now just click the manage access, click the restricted and change the restricted into anyone with a link. And now you can adjust from the viewer, commenter, or even the editor. If you want to make the Google Spreadsheet editable, click the editor, and now you can just copy the link over here. And now you already have the link copied on your device. And now you just can share the links by some chat, email, and anything to make them able to reach your Google Spreadsheet. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.